What if I told you the solution to poor blood flow, low vitality, and sluggish circulation is not in a pill, not in a supplement, not in a prescription, but inside your kitchen right now? For less than the cost of a cup of coffee, you can make a drink that ancient civilizations relied on for strength, stamina, and vitality. Something modern science is just now beginning to understand. It's simple, it's powerful, it's natural, and yet almost no one knows about it. Today, I'm going to reveal a 2-ingredient ancient remedy using cloves plus hot water, and explain exactly why it works, how to prepare it properly, how to maximize its effects, and what changes you can realistically expect. Stay with me, because the science behind this tiny spice is genuinely shocking. Why this knowledge is hidden. 2 minutes. Before we talk about cloves, let's talk about the system hiding natural solutions. Modern medicine is brilliant in many ways, but it has one major flaw. Heavy check mark: it only promotes things that can be patented. Heavy check mark: natural remedies cannot be patented. Heavy check mark: if something can't be patented, it can't be sold. Heavy check mark: if it can't be sold, no big company funds research. A handful of cloves costs pennies. There's no billion-dollar commercial interest behind them. So this knowledge stays in. Heavy check mark: traditional Chinese medicine. Heavy check mark: Ayurveda. Heavy check mark: Middle Eastern medical texts. Heavy check mark: African herbal traditions. Heavy check mark: folk medicine around the world, but rarely makes it into modern clinics. Today we break that cycle. Why blood flow declines in men? To appreciate this remedy, you must understand the problem. Blood flow declines due to 1. Vessel stiffening. Over time, your arteries gradually harden. This reduces their ability to expand, limiting blood flow everywhere. 2. Blood gets thicker. More inflammation, more clotting, sluggish circulation. 3. Decline in nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the molecule that tells blood vessels to relax. Levels plummet with age. For chronic stress, cortisol stiffens blood vessels and reduces vascular responsiveness. 5. Low hydration. Thicker blood equals harder circulation. 6. Poor diet. Refined carbs, seed oils, and sugars damage endothelial cells. When all of these stack up, circulation suffers. And that's where cloves come in, because they address multiple factors at the same time. Why cloves are a multi-pathway blood flow enhancer. Cloves are not just a spice. They are one of the most chemically potent plants ever discovered. Key active compounds in cloves: eugenol, primary, smooth muscle relaxant, blood vessel dilator, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, mild blood thinning effects, beta-caryophyllene, reduces inflammation, protects endothelial cells, flavonoids, support nitric oxide production, tannins and polyphenol, strengthen blood vessels, volatile oils, warm, stimulate, increase circulation. This is why cloves work so well, not one mechanism but many. Most supplements target 1. Cloves target 5. This creates a synergy that men immediately feel. What happens when you steep cloves in hot water? When cloves meet hot water, heavy check mark: eugenol dissolves into the water. Heavy check mark: volatile oils are released. Heavy check mark: antioxidants become bioavailable. Heavy check mark: warming effect begins immediately. Heavy check mark: circulation is quickly stimulated. Hot water isn't just a carrier, it is a catalyst. Uncovering the cup traps volatile oils that otherwise escape as steam. This step is crucial and few people know it. The step-by-step preparation. Step 1. Choose the right cloves. Whole, not powdered. Plump. Oily. Strong smell. They should float vertically in water, a sign of freshness. Step 2. Crush lightly. Do not grind into powder. A light crush exposes the oils. Step 3. Heat water correctly. Boil, turn off heat, wait 30 to 60 seconds. This protects the delicate compounds. Step 4. Steep properly. Pour over cloves. Cover immediately. Steep 15 to 30 minutes. Longer equals more potent. Step 5. Drink warm. Warmth enhances vascular delivery. Optional boosters. We'll cover these later. This is your base recipe, used for centuries. The science. How cloves improve male circulation. 1. Platelet regulation. Eugenol reduces platelet aggregation. This prevents microclots that restrict blood flow. 2. Smooth muscle relaxation. Cloves relax smooth muscle around blood vessels. This allows for easy natural dilation. 3. Nitric oxide optimization. Cloves support production and protection of nitric oxide. This directly affects vascular flexibility. 4. Anti-inflammatory action. Chronic inflammation destroys endothelial cells. Cloves protect and repair them. 5. Powerful antioxidant shield. Cloves have the highest antioxidant score, ORAC value, of almost any natural food. They shield blood vessels from oxidative stress. 6. Blood sugar support. Stable blood sugar equals healthier vessels. Cloves indirectly support this pathway. It's a full system approach. Potent add-ons that supercharge the drink. Ginger. Strong circulatory booster. Warms blood. Enhances absorption. B. Ceylon cinnamon. Strengthens blood vessels. Stabilizes blood sugar. C. Lemon juice. Vitamin C protects vessel lining. Enhances extraction. D. Raw honey. Antioxidant blend. Makes flavor better. E. Cayenne pepper. Instant blood flow stimulation. Very potent. F. Black pepper. Increases absorption of eugenol. Each addition creates synergy, especially ginger plus cloves. Safety precautions and who should avoid it. Cloves are safe for most people, but avoid if you take blood thinners, you have a surgery in 2 weeks, you have known clove allergy, you experience stomach discomfort, reduced dose. Safe dosage. Heavy checkmark 1 to 3 cups per day. Heavy checkmark start small 10 cloves per cup. Heavy checkmark some men tolerate 20 plus but start low. Historical origins across cultures. Heavy checkmark used in traditional Chinese medicine to warm the body. Heavy checkmark used in Ayurveda for circulation and vitality. Heavy checkmark recommended by Avicenna in Persian medicine. Heavy checkmark valued in medieval Europe as a male tonic. Heavy checkmark considered gold spice in the spice trade. Every culture that used cloves described improved warmth, stamina, circulation, vitality. This cross-cultural agreement is rare and powerful. How to maximize your results. Drink on an empty stomach. Hydrate throughout the day. Walk 20 minutes daily. Practice deep breathing. Reduce caffeine and nicotine. Use consistently for weeks. Clove water is not magic. It unlocks your body's natural capability. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel Dr. Zoe Hartley for more natural remedies, men's health science, and circulation boosting techniques. Your health, your vitality, and your confidence matter. And I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next video.